start. Though this is the first occasion on which I have in person attended a session of UNESCO, I may claim that in spirit I have always been with you and followed your deliberations and activities with the keenest interest and sympathy. Stop this I have done, as I feel that in view of the disaster which threatens the future of mankind, UNESCO alone offers a faint ray of hope. Stop mankind has, in the course of the last century, made phenomenal advances in knowledge and material prosperity, but this progress has not been reflected in man's moral and political achievement. Stop. Increased knowledge has therefore led not only to a greater provision for comforts and victory over want and disease, but also, alas, to an increase in man's power for destruction and death. Stop. This power is so great today that unless all men have a sense of community, it may well lead to common ruin for all. Stop. This is only through a re education of man that we can create that sense of psychological unity and common citizenship which the technological unity achieved by the advance of modern science requires of man. Stop. This is the reason why in 1949, when the Indian National Commission for Cooperation with UNESCO was founded, I placed such great emphasis on the importance of UNESCO's work. Stop. I pointed out with regret that while the United Nations were founded for the achievement of peace and unity, the result had in fact been the division of the world into two warring camps. Stop. It is true that some progress has been achieved here in place of a multitude of nations, each struggling on its own. The United Nations present a picture of two solid blocks array one against the other. Stop. Nevertheless, to any man who looks forward to cooperation and friendship among nations, this picture can bring no message of hope. Stop. It seems that the only hope lies in UNESCO, which asks to achieve unity in the field of education, science, and culture, even among those who are politically divided. Stop. I feel that if UNESCO could achieve its objectives and create understanding between different nations on the cultural plan, oblique plane, there is hope that with time the cultural understanding would make itself felt in the economic and political fields also. Stop. In the course of the last 2 years, my hope in UNESCO and my apprehensions about the United Nations have both increased. Stop.